Hi everyone, welcome to Buvis e-learning. Today we are going to see a C program. New viewers do subscribe.
Now let us see a C program to copy one file to another. So to copy text from one file to another, we need read mode and write mode. So we need two text files here. So let us see the program. First we have declared the library file header file #include standard input output .h. Next we are going to the main function. First we will declare the variables here for both file 1. So for file 1 we are giving as *fp1 and for file 2 we are giving *fp2. Next for file name we are declaring it as character file name 1, the size of 20. Next for file name 2, size of 20, and for strings chars str, size of 256 at the maximum. Next we are giving the printf statement to enter the file name over here. So /n, enter the name of the first file. Next, to get the file name we are using get as file name f/stdin. So next printf to get the second file name. So enter the name of the second file name. Okay, we are getting the file name get as file name 2 f/stdin. Next we are going for if conditional statements to check whether the file is file 1 is in open or not. So fp1 equal to fopen. So now we have to open the first file to copy the text. So let us open a file. I have already created a C file name in C lab. It is a text file. So let me copy this path over here. Just right click and choose the copy as path over here. Next we have to open another empty file. I have opened a file name with second file to copy the text from C lab text file to here second file. Let us see now. So we are pasting it here. The first file name is clab.txt. To open it and copy we have to give it in the read mode. So r which is double equal to 0. Now open a bracket, printf /n error opening the first file. And with the semicolon, return statement, return 1. Next again one more condition, if condition to open the second file. So fp2 equal to fopen within bracket. So the same path we are going to paste over here. Let us copy here, pasting here. See, here instead of clab I am going to give the second file. Within quotes, the path should be within quotes. So to copy the text from the first file, that is clab.txt, we have to give here write mode. So w should be within quotes and condition should be double equal to 0. So we are going to give the printf statement /n error opening the second file. Again we are going to give the return statement over here. Now let us move on to the while loop to get the text from the file 1 and copy it to the file 2. So for that we are going to while loop condition. So while fget, yes, within bracket str comma size of bracket str comma fp1, which is not equal to null. Then f put as within bracket str comma fp2 and with a semicolon. Now close the both the files. So fclose fp1 and again fclose fp2. Return 0. So now let us build and run the program. Click the build and run option over here. We have got the output. Enter the name of the first file name. So first file name is clab.txt. Enter the second name of the second file name. Second file name is, I have given it as second file dot text. See, process returned here. Execution time is 23.181 seconds. Let us check whether the text has been copied or not in the second file. It was empty before. Let us check now. See, first clab we have given the text as welcome to Buvis e-learning. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. There are 4 lines over here. Let me minimize it. Open the second file. So you can clearly see the file name is second file and it has been copied. The text has been copied from the clab to second file. So we can add the statement over here as printf, the file has been copied, like that also. Let us print it as file has been copied in the output screen. So I am giving here printf /n file copied. Let us check it over here. Enter the first file name. First file name is clab.txt. For your reference, let us give another file over here again. New text document, and let me give it as second, second file, which is empty. Look here, the second file is empty. Let us change the path in the code. Instead of second file, I am giving SECOND. Now we can shell build and run the program. In this, enter the first file name clab.txt. Enter the second file name. I am giving it as second.txt. So yeah, the file has been copied. Here we have got the statement as file copied in the execution time of 13.015 seconds. So let us check the second file now. We are opening the second file. The file has been copied to the second. The text has been copied from the clab.txt file to second file. Welcome to Buvis eLearn. Subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy learning. If you have any queries, do text me in the comment. Forward to your friends.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, press the like button and share to your friends. Click the bell icon. Thank you.